In today's video I'm going to go through adding some effects to this video. So if I tap on the first part of the video and then go to effects, you can see all the different types of effects. So you've got Pro here, opening and closing effects, lens, light effects. There is a scroll bar here, so you can go down and look at all the different types of effects. Edits, cartoons, split, interface, graffiti, celebrate, body effects. So you need to have the effect that emphasizes the situation. So if you want something a bit cinematic, some of these effects are pro effects here, as mentioned earlier. You can see the pro effects with a little, in the top corner, you can see the symbol for pro effects. So in a war scene, would it be handy to have some type of light effect, like an explosion, like that? So if I add that, you can see what the effect is going to be like. So if I add that to that, here you can see the explosion. So you can adjust the speed of the effect. Hang on, I'll just move the blade back. So it looks like somebody's hit the tank. You can, if I move myself down, you can adjust this here. You see you can adjust the atmosphere. You can add masks. So it looks as though that's a pro feature there, because you've got the little diamond next to it. So if we go back to basic, you've got the name of the effect. You can adjust it in numerical increments. You can add a keyframe there. You can, keyframes are where you change something from point A to point B. So here, if I tap on that there and then I put in a keyframe, move it to there, watch what happens when I adjust the speed. It's added a keyframe, so the explosion is actually quicker. So you can also do this. I tap on the effect, I can move the effect there, so it's running for less time. So when we go to play it now, we can see it's a lot shorter. So if you found use in this video, if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to watch the next video. Thanks for watching.